How to unlock GLoan on GCash. This is the topic for today. So guys, this is the official GCash website, and this is the official article. As you can see here, GLoan, guys, is a pre-qualified loan after the select user only, allowing to borrow money and receive a loan on your GCash wallet within 24 hours after your application. To unlock GLoan, keep using GCash service. This is 71. You should use the service guys of GCash. This is all the service guys from here. You can send, chop, save all on place. This is all the service guys from borrow from here, and you can use for loan solution GCash. So guys, the first step, as a pay bills service, as a pay bills, you use service to pay bills and buy loads on GCash and send money guys from this service. All the service bank transfer, you should be send money. This is a requirement. So guys, to check eligibility for GLoan, other GLoan requirement, you should be verify GCash user guys. You verify your GCash account. This is the sure guys, this verify conditions with the valid government ID and not damaged or expired. This is the first one, valid government ID. At least you should be have up to 21 years old and verified your GCash email address, the account guys. This is sure, verify your account guys. This is all to get to unlock GLoan. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon.